Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online class for February called Two-Step Flowers. In this class we will be creating 6 beautiful handmade cards with floral stamp sets which use two-step stamping. I will be teaching you different ways to use two-step stamping and my techniques to get perfect images each time. I will be showing how to make these cards with either the two-tone Flora bundle, which includes the stamp set and the two-tone Flora dies, or the brushed Bouquet bundle, which includes the stamp set and the brushed Bouquet dies. You can choose which set you want to use. If you have another floral two-step stamp set, you are welcome to use that as well. Both of these bundles are new in the January through April 2023 mini catalog, which you can order from beginning January 5th. Please use the link below to shop through my online store. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with beautiful cards. To sign up for this class, please visit my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's check them out now. Here are the cards we will be creating in this class. The cards here on the left have been made with the brushed Bouquet bundle, and the cards here on the right have been made with the two-tone Flora bundle. The techniques I will be sharing with you create gorgeous flowers with lots of depth. We will be exploring different ways to combine colors to give the flowers different looks. The layouts of each card are unique and easy to replicate for future card ideas. The colors are bright and perfect for many different occasions. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, February 6th through Saturday the 11th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35 and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on January 21st, which is a Saturday, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for all 6 cards, 6 pre-cut labels for the greetings, a full pack of iridescent pastel gems, and a new roll of rose, gold, and white striped ribbon. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the gems and ribbon. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of February 6th. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will need a 2-step floral stamp set and coordinating dies of your choice. I recommend the 2-tone Flora bundle or the brushed Bouquet bundle. And of course, their coordinating dies. These two bundles do not have any greetings. And so if you choose to use one of these bundles, you will also need a stamp set for your greetings. And I am going to use the Something Fancy stamp set. This also comes with a bundle, and it includes labels, and they are the same labels that will be included in your class kit. You will also need some ink colors. You will need Melon Mambo and Calypso Coral, Tahitian Tide, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Shaded Spruce, and Daffodil Delight. Here are the tools you will need to create these cards. You will want a take your pick tool, paper trimmer, stamparatus, either a regular Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine or the mini size. You will want a good pair of ribbon scissors and some paper snips, coordinating clear blocks for your stamp set, a Simply chamois to clean your stamps, bone folder, and then a variety of adhesives. I like to have mini Stampin' Dimensionals as well as the regular size. Then I also like to have on hand tear and tape, multi-purpose liquid glue, mini glue dots, and my Stampin' Seal. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.